Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhalda Outer Parliamentary Constituency da NPF NDA gi mirep oiriba 𝗢𝗘𝗘𝗥𝗜𝗣 𝗢𝗔 campaign ngasidagi Ukhrul district ki new canon ground da hodokre. Thorom aduda Health amadi Information and Public Relation Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Water Resources Minister Awangbau Nyumai, Jiribam SC ki MLA MD Asaf-Uddin, Wabgai SC ki MLA Usam Deben, Wangjing Tentha SC ki MLA Paunam Brozen, Chandel SC ki MLA SS Olis, Karong SC ki MLA Kumo Saha, Tamai SC ki MLA Janghemlung Pamai, Mao SC ki MLA L Dikho, Phungyar SC ki MLA Laisho Kaising, Hyanglam SC ki MLA Dr. Y Radhesyam, Tadubi SC ki Hanagi MLA Francis Ngazokpa, Kamong SC ki Hanagi MLA L Jonathan Amade, Tengnopal SC ki Hanagi MLA D Karungthang Yauna, Party asigi makok thongba miyoi kayasu sarukya Tharam aduga mari lenina NPF ki mirep oiriba 𝗢𝗘𝗘𝗥𝗜𝗣 𝗢𝗔 𝗞𝗔 Manipur leminariba furuk khudingmak amata oina ngasi nungsi chanana leminaba mathau tai aikhoi masel gi marakta thajanaba thamduna ching amadi tamgi khenaba thamdana puna hingminase loinana election gi matamda su khadna chainaba leitana ingna chikna miyamna vote thadabiyo Manipur gi hauzik oiriba Phibam asi athuba matamda loisinduna mahusagum tangdu leitaba lamdam ama laknaba honabada aikhoi puna saruk yaminaba tangai phade handaki election asta miyamna mahakpu nungsibiduna miyamgi mihut ama oihannaba honaba haibase miyamgi khutta lei hainasu phungdokhe.
Peace. In order to have development, then we must have mutual respect, sincerity amongst all the communities to solve our problem. I am committed to the cause and I am committed to the task of restoring peace in the state. We all must work together, irrespective of communities, to bring peace and prosperity in our state. Only then we can bring inclusive development, shared prosperity. It is not just a prosperity for a few, but for all the people, particularly poor section of our people. Let us make Manipur a vibrant state, very strong state, developed in all sense, in all fronts. To have a vibrant state, again, we need social justice, economic upliftment, not only in one area, but both in the hills and the valleys.
Campaign adubu sarugi araduna Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjana phongdorakpada Kumza lising ani tara taret ki March thada NPF NPP amadi BJP puna amata oina punduna miyamna khanba government ama semkhe Kumza asimaktada Manipur ki Chief Minister oina N Birena wasak lawkhiba numit adudagi hauduna Manipur chawkhataba yade Manipur chawkhatnaba honagani haina lawthokhe loinana cabinet mifam Ching amadi tamgi mafam khudingmakta tawgani haiba wafam phongdoktuna ching amadi tamgi mafam singda cabinet mifam phamduna lakle masida natana hill leaders day miyamgi numitna chingba pangthoktuna miyamgi apamba aningba amade award apa sing phongdoknaduna makha taba lengak asina paikhatpi yaba thabak thoram sing pangthoktuna lakli hainasu phongdokhe
2017 ki March ki wari ningjangai the alliance NPF, BJP, NPP alliance, an alliance was formed, a bond was formed for the people of Manipur, for the state of Manipur, and for the development of Manipur. A strong bond was formed, and a government with a difference, President government of the Mayam Nijing Viram in 2017, the Honorable Chief Minister, Hek was a global market chindagi, market economy, political. There has to be equal development. Hills, valley, Manipuri, corner Karimba, develop Tabdiya, and Wakil on the Maha, Lafokiba. And he did walk the talk. Government, Sina, Jaga Karimaki, Manipur, all across the nook and corner of the state, developments, Purana the Honagi, cabinet meetings, Ching, the district Karimaka, Tanda, low in the Budoni, Habaki, Maki Wakilondo, Saki, Maki, Hill Leaders Day, Miyagi, very successfully conduct na prasagi wakhallon, the pulse of the people marching to execute to. Social schemes kaya health sector improvement thamnaba prasagi namakta so that nabo kan matik pangan ko na sa honorable minister heavy ko na mayna chief minister 𝗖𝗛𝗡𝗥 tengba India given one of the first health schemes na thamnaba honorable chief minister magi wakhallon digi thola. So this is what you call governance. 2022 the alliance samuhale, and what better way of showing that we are united for the people of Manipur, for the state of Manipur, than the BJP, the NPP, NPF candidate, Yamba, Mr. Timothy, the supporter. I think this speaks volume. Masi alliance strong alliance to have.